Stop. Hi guys, welcome Andrew, welcome back to the channel. Jdevinci here with another Luvmehair wig install. This is a completely glueless closure wig. I haven't done a closure wig in so long, but it's hot and a lot of us aren't trying to glue down wigs or even wear poofy hair, so I decided to get this super straight and silky closure wig. I literally can't stop running my fingers through it. I hope you guys enjoy. It's super easy, very beginner friendly, and be right back.
Stop playing with him.
Jdevinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
Hi guys, welcome welcome back to the channel. Jdevinci here with another Luvmehair wig install. As some of you guys know, it's heating up this, I was gonna say spring, but it's like summer. Like we're well into the summer and nobody is gluing down wigs right now. So I do have a closure wig for all of my ladies and gents out there looking for super easy, low maintenance hairstyle. Of course, this wig is from Luvmehair. So let me just show you guys everything that comes in the box because we're going to be installing this wig straight from the package. So it does have, put this on. It did give us wig cap, wig of course, dust bag. We got a brush. So let's just start off by putting on the cap. And then I have on the band that came with it. So you know, we could just have everything ready to go. This does have a little bit of lace. So we're gonna cut it up together. This is what the inside cap construction looks like. Are you ready? Let's get it. Put it on. Easy peasy. Lip gloss. All right, let's put the band on. Oh yeah, her thing is not going nowhere. I didn't bleach the knots. I didn't do anything. I literally just, wow. Oh wow. I didn't bleach the knots, just so you guys are aware. Oh, the hair is silky. Stop. I was not expecting it to be so silky. Okay, straight out of the package, this hair is silky. Like when I say silky, I mean silky. It's nice and snug. Wait, what? I literally can't stop rubbing my hands through the hair. Like it's so silky and so smooth. All right, let's cut this off together. And I'm gonna leave some lace, but as you guys can see, hold on. As you guys can see, the lace is like really bomb. Okay, so we're gonna cut it. Not a lot though. I'm gonna leave some on. Okay, so I'm really here for the silkiness of this hair. I think what I'm gonna do is, but just so you guys can see, I left some of the lace on. What? Hold on. So just so you guys can see, I left a bit of the lace on, but it's giving cute. I'm gonna go on with a bit of foam, just a bit, just so this part can go down. Because like I said, it's way too hot to be bringing out flat ironings and stuff. So you put it at the top and then you comb it down. And I like to comb it to the front because it's a closure wig. You want to hide the fact that it's a closure. Why am I like here for this? You can even cuff it behind your ear. That was literally 2 seconds. Stop. Do you see how silky the hair is though? I'm here for it. So you guys saw how easy that install was. It literally came straight out the pack. I didn't bleach the knots. I didn't pluck the hairline. I love how silky and smooth this hair is. Like when I say I'm here for this wig, I didn't know what to expect, but I was not expecting this. And this is bomb. Look at the movement. Yeah, love it. There's not gonna be any tangling because this is a straight texture. Gorgeous. I love it. 10 out of 10 recommend.
If another motherfucking bitch try to try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like Jdevinci.